Hello friends, myself Jadhav Suvarna. Today I will explain elimination reaction. First of all, what do you mean by elimination reaction? In an elimination reaction, some fragment of molecule are removed. Elimination reactions are classified into two general headings. First, alpha elimination and second, beta elimination. Elimination reaction. In this reaction, two or more atom or group of atom are removed from reactant to form a product is called as elimination reaction. In elimination reaction, saturated compound is converted into unsaturated compound. First, alpha elimination. Alpha elimination reaction in which two groups are eliminated from the same atom. For example, trichloromethane is a react with sodium hydroxide that use carbene as a product plus water molecule and sodium chloride. In this case, unstable species are formed which undergo further reactions. Then second one is beta eliminations in which an adjacent atom are eliminated with the formation of multiple bond. For example, base abstract proton, then the formation of carbon-carbon double bond, and simultaneously halogen are removed from a substrate, then the formation of alkene as a product. Beta eliminations proceed through two mechanisms which are E2 bimolecular elimination reactions, E1 unimolecular elimination reaction. The E2 and E1 mechanism differ in a timing of bond cleavage and bond formation analogous to the SN2 and SN1 mechanism. E1 unimolecular eliminations reactions. E1 indicate a elimination unimolecular reaction. The E1 reactions proceed via two-step mechanism. The bond to the leaving group breaks first before the pi bond is formed. The slow step is unimolecular, involving only the alkyl halide. Then the mechanism of E1 reactions is it involves two steps. Step first, heterolysis of carbon and halogen bond forms an intermediate carbocation. This is the same first step as the SN1 mechanism. It is responsible for the first order kinetics because is rate determining. Then firstly, tertiary butyl iodide. First step is a slow step. First carbon and iodine bond is a break and then the formation of carbocation. Then in second step, carbon hydrogen bond is cleaved and pi bond is formed. A base such as a water molecule or I minus remove a proton from a carbon adjacent to the carbocation. A beta carbon. The electron pair in the CH bond is used to form a new pi bond. In second step, water molecule abstract the proton, then carbon hydrogen bond is break and then the formation of carbon carbon double bond, then alkene as a product of E1 reactions. Energy profile diagram of E1 reaction. The rate of E1 reactions is depend upon the concentration of reactant and concentration of base, etc. Thank you.